Nietzsche was not afraid of human suffering.
He was afraid of a human who no longer feels anything. A human who is comfortable, safe, busy, but empty. Not sad, not broken, just numb. This is not motivation. This is philosophy. This is Nietzsche philosophy speaking directly to us. Let me ask you something. Why do people today have easier lives than ever before, yet feel tired all the time? Why do we work more, scroll longer, consume faster, repeat endlessly, and still feel like something is missing? Look around. Food arrives instantly. Entertainment never ends. Answers are one search away. Yet anxiety is everywhere. More than 100 years ago, Friedrich Nietzsche saw this coming. And what he saw terrified him. In Thus Spoke Zarathustra, Nietzsche introduced a figure called the last man. The last man does not want greatness. He wants comfort. No sharp edges, no deep pain, no dangerous questions. He says, "We have invented happiness." Today, this looks like a life optimized for convenience. Work that doesn't challenge the soul. Entertainment that never stops. Opinions chosen by algorithms. This happiness is small, safe, predictable. This is not joy. This is survival without meaning. This is Nietzsche philosophy at its sharpest. Nietzsche was not afraid of broken humans. Broken humans still feel. They still question. He was afraid of well-adjusted ones. Because a human who adapts to anything will also adapt to emptiness. Look at modern life. We adapt to constant noise, constant work, constant comparison, constant distraction. And we call that normal. The last man is not evil. He is calm, polite, efficient. He meets deadlines, respects rules, avoids conflict. And that is the danger. Nietzsche feared we would survive perfectly, but live shallowly. That we would shrink ourselves to fit systems instead of questioning them. This is philosophy explaining modern life. Nietzsche did not hate humanity. He feared for it. Feared a world where meaning is optional, where comfort replaces truth, where humans live long but shallow lives. If you feel tired, confused, or quietly empty, you are not broken. You are human, living inside systems that were never designed for meaning. This is philosophy. This is Nietzsche philosophy. And this is not your fault. End.